Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk going next 10x Sui pick. This was highly requested by my followers, but let's talk about IKA. So disclaimer, everything said in this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. But this is why you should listen to Midas. Well, I beat the S&P 500 by 103x in less than a year. If you want to take a look at the proof, check out my YouTube description on my link tree. But this is why you should listen to me for crypto advice. I have been in the crypto space since 2020, been investing in Bitcoin since 20K, and overcame the FTX crash where loaded up on Slownet for $10. I have made over 1.5K% gains by investing in the crypto markets. I do not invest in meme coins. I do not pump and dump coins. All of my picks are based off of thorough research. I have tried meme coin trading and conclude that it can work, but the risk reward is just not worth it. You need to be chronically online 24/7. I invest primarily in altcoins. Altcoins are my specialty, and altcoins or cryptos have technical utility. I invest in altcoins like how I pick my stocks, which are early stage technology companies. You can see my track record of following my crypto investing strategy. And this is my track record where I called Bitcoin at 20K, Ethereum at 1.1K, Solana at $10. But by following my crypto investing strategy, I'm able to find winners before they explode. If you want to take a look at where you can find all my crypto picks, check out my YouTube description on my link tree. But let's get to the video, which is IKA, the next leverage play on Sui. If Sui goes up 2x, IKA can go up 5x. So what is IKA? Well, IKA is a blockchain infrastructure protocol that enables secure native cross-chain asset control directly from smart contracts on the Sui blockchain. They're formerly known as D-Wallet Network, where IKA utilizes a zero trust multi-party computation, which is called MPC for short, network to facilitate interoperability between Sui and other blockchains. And these are the key features of IKA. They offer a native cross-chain asset control where IKA allows Sui smart contracts to manage assets on other blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum without relying on bridges or wrapped tokens. This approach mitigates common risks associated with cross-chain solutions. They also have a zero trust security with 2PC to MPC, where they employ a two-party computation called 2PC and multi-party computation cryptographic scheme, ensuring secure interactions across chains. If you don't understand all this technical jargon, stay tuned to the very end. I want to show some examples as to how this technology is so revolutionary. But users retain control over their assets and transactions, requiring collaborative signing between the user and IK's decentralized network. They also offer high performance and scalability. The IKA network is designed to scale to 10,000 transactions per second and support hundreds of signer nodes, providing sub-second latency and robust performance for decentralized applications. D-wallets for programmable signing. IKA introduces D-wallets, which are decentralized, programmable, and transferable signing mechanisms that enable secure and programmable interactions with assets across multiple blockchains. And they also have the IKA token utility, where it's integral to the network, serving as a means to pay for MPC signing services, enabling seamless transactions across Web3, and participating in networks governance. And these are the use cases for those that did not understand the technical jargon, which I just spoke. But my first example is cross-chain DeFi. A user on the Sui blockchain, let's say, wants to use their Bitcoin in a Sui-based lending protocol. Well, IKA MPC's network lets them lock BTC and use it in Sui's smart contracts without wrapping or bridging the Bitcoin. This enables secure, seamless DeFi participation across chains. And then decentralized custody, a company wants to manage multiple crypto assets securely. Well, by using IKA's D-wallets, they can require multiple parties to approve transactions across blockchains. This creates a programmable multi-signature wallet that reduces single point of failure risk. They also have programmable NFTs or assets across chains, where a game developer might want to use NFTs on Sui to interact with Ethereum-based marketplaces. Well, IKA will allow these NFTs or tokens to move or be referenced across chains safely. So players can now trade or use assets without needing complex bridging. And bridging takes a long time and is a very difficult process. Now, for the bull case of IKA, they also cross-chain first mover advantage, where native cross-chain asset control on SUI gives IKA a unique position in its interoperability space. They also offer high performance and scalability. They support up to 10,000 TPS with sub-second latency, enabling fast and efficient decentralized applications. They also offer strong security via the MPC and D wallets, where the zero trust multi-party computation ensures assets remain secure while enabling programmable multi-signature wallets. And they have the institutional and developer adoption potential, where DeFi protocols, game developers, and institutions can use IKA for secure cross-chain operations, attracting early adopters. And they have a growing SUI ecosystem and Web3 demand. So as SUI expands, IKA benefits from network effects, becoming a key infrastructure layer for cross-chain DeFi and NFTs. And these are some similar projects to IKA. IKA is a pretty big project on SUI, but not a different concept than what has been created before. So we have Polygon. They both enable cross-chain interactions, but Polygon focuses on Ethereum scaling and sidechains, while IKA enables native cross-chain asset control via MPC on Sui. Thorchain, also known as Ruin, they allow swapping assets across blockchains without wrapped tokens. IKA is similar in cross-chain functionality, but emphasizes programmable smart contracts and D-wallets for secure multi-party control. Cosmos, they enable blockchain interoperability using the inter-blockchain communication system protocol called IBC. IKA also enables interoperability, but directly integrates assets into SUI smart contracts rather than through hub and zone models. Then Layer Zone. Layer Zone is an omni-chain messaging protocol, so allows for different messaging protocols in one platform for decentralized applications. IKA goes a step further by allowing actual asset control across chains, not just message passing with high transactions per second and sub-second latency. And then finally, we have Ren Protocol, where they allow Bitcoin, ZEC, and other coins to be used on Ethereum via wrapped tokens. IKA differentiates itself by avoiding a wrapped token entirely, using MPC for native cross-chain control. That's one of the main things I'm so bullish on IKA. They are taking over all of these wrapped tokens and just making it a very seamless process to go from SUI to Ethereum, SUI to Solana, and whatsoever. But the current price is at 3 cents USD. Current crypto rank 356. Current market cap is 112 million. My price target is 10 cents. But if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll respond when I can. If you want to join my exclusive Midas Discord community, check it out. I'm going to be posting all my stock and crypto calls. You can join a community of hungry degens as well as learn how I beat the S&P 500 by 103x. Join the waitlist on my YouTube description on my link tree. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and like for more. I appreciate the support of all my followers. But that's all I got for today. Today's video is on IKA, my next 10x Sui pick. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.